Yeah, hi friends, good morning. This is Ravi Kiran from Ravi Kiran Tech Logs. Okay, today topic is I'm going to install Windows deployment services on server 2019. Click add roles and features and next. Role based or feature based installation, click next. So server is selected, next. Yeah, select the Windows deployment services and add features also. Click next. No need to select any features, so simply next. It is going to be installed now. And role services is deployment server and transport server, both roles should be configured. So click next and click install, so it will start installation. And after installation, I'm going to configure WDS installation on remote machine. Like if you connect any machine on network, so it's defaultly it will connect to the WDS. Okay, now installation is succeeded, so click close and go to tools. You will have Windows deployment services. Click on this. Okay, so role is installed, so you need to configure. So DC01 is not configured, so now we are going to configure. So configure server, click next. Integrated with Active Directory, right? If you want to select standalone server, you can select this standalone. So we are going to configure integration. So remote installation, C location, C drive. So if you want to change, you can change the drive location. Click next. And a proxy is a DHCP server. So already we have DHCP server, so no need to change anything. Click next. This one PXC server initial settings while booting. So do not respond to any client computers, respond only to non-client computers, respond to all computers. So if any network connected to the computer network, so it will directly detect and it will respond to all the clients. So required administrator approval for unknown computers, yeah, you can select here if you required. Otherwise you can directly respond for all computers, so directly it will install. Click next. So configuring Windows deployment service is finished, so click finish. Now it's showing install images, boot images, pending devices, multicast transmission drivers. So right click, refresh. Now we are going to import the ISO image. So let's see the properties of WDS. So PXE format, and if required any architecture you can import everything. Okay, DHCP direct and TFTP advanced. So multicasting, use DHCP address I'm selecting, so apply, close, and done. So let's add image. Windows 12, so click next and browse the location of ISO image. this is this image location. So select the install.wmi, click next. 1 minute, it is okay. You can select any of these. Next, and which image you are going to install. So I don't want core installation, so I want standard and data center. So click next. Okay, select the which one. Okay, I'm going to select data centers. So next. Now it is adding the image to the remote install folder. So by default, one image will be created in WDS. You can verify on C drive. Okay, image is imported successfully to the server. So click finish. Okay, now successfully done. So let's go to DHCP role. Let's see if any you can see here image is imported. Go to remote install, you will have a boot image, so it's already available here. And let's expand DHCP. So let's click address list. So if any network any machine is connected to this, or let's verify. Let's go to virtual machine. So I'm going to create new virtual machine. So click next, next, next. It's at Windows 12. So click next, and next, 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 next. Okay, now it is configured. So now I'm going to change the network, so it should be on same network. So Windows 10, sorry, VMnet 10. So okay, so let's see. Click start button. Let's see it is detecting or not. Still not authenticating. Yeah, after installation I think we forgot, it's showing blank black symbol stop state. So we need to start WDS service. So click right click on server name and alt task and click start. So it will start the services. Let's wait. Okay, successfully started the WDS services. Okay, now it's showing green. Let's go to virtual machine now. Let's power on. Okay, now yeah, now it is detected. Okay, I pressed F12, so installation is going to be start now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click like and share and subscribe, and click on bell icon so that my next video you will get a pop-up. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.